TradingView versus ThinkorSwim, which platform's better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which trading platform is better among TradingView and ThinkorSwim. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with TradingView. TradingView offers a clean, intuitive, and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for traders of all experience levels. Accessible from any device with an internet connection, no software installation required. Provides an extensive array of charting tools and indicators with customizable charts to suit individual trading strategies. With including a vibrant social community where traders can share ideas, charts, and strategies, fostering collaborative learning, allows users to create and share custom indicators and strategies using TradingView's Pine script language. Somehow, direct trading is only available through a limited number of integrated brokers. Some advanced features and tools require a paid subscription, which can be costly for some users. Being a web-based platform, it lacks a dedicated desktop application, which some traders may prefer. Now, let's come towards ThinkorSwim trading. ThinkorSwim offers a wide range of tools for technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and risk management. Includes advanced order types, backtesting capabilities, and paper trading for strategy testing. Directly integrated with TD Ameritrade, offering seamless trading and account management. Provides extensive educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and a demo account for practice. Highly customizable workspace, allowing traders to tailor the platform to their specific needs. Offers a powerful desktop application with robust performance and advanced features. While the platform's extensive features and tools can be overwhelming for beginners, requiring a significant learning curve. Primarily tailored for the US market, which may limit its appeal to international traders. The advanced desktop application may require more powerful hardware to run smoothly. Choosing between TradingView and ThinkorSwim depends on your trading style and preferences. TradingView is ideal for traders seeking a user-friendly, web-based platform with advanced charting tools and a vibrant social community. On the other hand, ThinkorSwim is perfect for traders looking for a comprehensive trading platform with advanced features, direct broker integration, and extensive educational resources. Consider your trading needs, experience level, and the specific features you require to determine which platform aligns best with your trading goals. That's all for this video.